Welcome to Building Bridges, where we will explore the logic of Hashiwokakero. This captivating Japanese connection puzzle combines numerical logic and spatial reasoning to create a single, interconnected network of islands. Hashiwokakero originated in 1990 by Nikoli, the creators of Sudoku. The name translates to build bridges. It transforms graph theory principles into spatial play, using vertices as numbered islands and edges as connecting bridges. The game follows 4 absolute laws of construction. Bridges must be straight horizontal or vertical lines between islands with no intersections. A maximum of 2 bridges can connect any pair of islands, and all islands must form a unified, interconnected network. Strategy 1 involves identifying forced connections. Islands with only one neighbor and a value of 1 must connect there. Corner and edge islands with high values may also force double bridges to their limited number of neighbors to meet their required bridge count. Strategy 2 uses bridge capacity analysis. The maximum capacity is the number of neighbors multiplied by 2. If an island's value is just 1 less than its maximum capacity, it is forced to send at least 1 bridge to every neighboring island. Strategy 3 is the isolation rule. Never create a closed loop that fully satisfies the island numbers, but isolates a subgroup from the main network. Always ensure an escape route bridge connects all islands to the larger grid. The MiniWebTool Hashi Puzzle Generator is your ultimate digital dojo. It offers infinite algorithms, 4 calibrated difficulties, and 0 friction, allowing you to focus purely on logical deduction without the hassle of paper and pencil. The interface provides clear visual feedback. The panels show the neutral state, selection of valid paths, green verification when satisfied, and red overload when a mathematical violation occurs. This lets the interface track your progress. This interactive toolkit is built for flow, featuring crossing prevention, progress tracking, and a precision timer. It also includes instant undo, error checking, and a solution reveal option for study. The difficulty matrix allows you to choose your challenge, from easy 7x7 grids to expert 13 by 13 grids. Required skills range from basic forced moves to complete spatial mastery and advanced logic chains. The seed system allows you to turn a solo puzzle into a global race. Simply generate a unique grid using a seed code, share it with others, and compete to compare strategies and solve times on an identical puzzle environment. Start building bridges today. Visit MiniWebTool.com to generate your first puzzle. Keep your mind sharp with this fun and challenging logic game.